Morning, everybody. Welcome back. Saturday in the shop here today. Going to do something a little bit different, though. If you've been around the channel for a while, you probably remember we were trying to give away a bike. We were building a custom Shadow 600. Probably get to see some pictures and footage of it coming up here in a minute. And our goal was to get 2,500 subscribers, at which point we were going to give the bike away. I thought that was going to be very easy. I thought the incentive of a free bike was going to be enough for people to get out there and share it and spread it all around, and we'd get 2,500 subscribers like in no time, and we did not. So we let that run for over a year, and I called it. It just did not seem to be working. We weren't gaining any kind of extra ground by doing this. And so last year, in November, I said if we don't get there by November 26th, which is my birthday, we're going to call it and regroup. So at that time, I think we didn't even have 2,000 subscribers. So anyway, we called it, and I've been trying to figure out a way. I obviously still want to do the giveaway. I don't want to sell anything. I don't want people to have to buy. I don't want to raffle. I just want to straight up give it away with no cost to anyone. So what we have come up with, and we're going to try this again. Today is, what's today? July 13th. So we're going to run this again until my birthday, November 26, 2024. Currently, I'm going to tell you right now. Let's see what we have. As of this morning, we have 2,245 subscribers. So we're going to up the goal. Obviously, we're not going to go for 2,500. That's only a couple hundred. That doesn't, the idea behind this is that we want to build the channel, and building the channel makes it worthwhile of us doing this giveaway. So we're going to go for 5,000 subscribers. That basically means if everyone who is subscribed gets just one person, we'll almost be there. So in order to do this, though, we're going to do it a little bit different. In order for you to be entered for the giveaway, you have to, number one, subscribe to our channel. Number two, you have to make a post on your social media, Facebook or Instagram, sharing. You can share this video, you can share one of the older giveaway videos, you can share our whole channel, whatever you want to share. I would recommend explaining in the post about the giveaway, so that will help drive some of your people over here. You need to tag us in that post so that we see it and know that you did it, and then you need to email us with your social media name if it's like on Instagram and it's not your actual real name. The email will be up on the screen, Gattis Garage Giveaway at gmail.com, and let us know, hey, I'm, whatever your Instagram name is, Obviously, you need to have your profile on public. If it's a private profile, we will not see it. And that's it. It's not really anything super crazy. Like I said, you don't have to buy anything. We're not asking you to, buy stickers or shirts or nothing. We just want this to be a real legitimate straight up giveaway. The bike is really cool. Like I said, I'm going to put some pictures up in here so you can kind of see what the bike is. It's about 90% finished. We've just kind of had it stored away because we didn't know what we were going to do with it. So this is our plan. So again, it's not going to be super hard. Basically, you subscribe to our channel and make a post on your social media, tag us in it, and help drive some people who may be interested in our content over to our channel. That's it. That's our goal. We want to build our channel, and like I said, I thought this was going to be a really easy way to do that in the beginning. It does not seem that it is or was, and so hopefully last time we didn't require about the post. I assumed people would do it out of their own self-interest to get the stuff shared around so we would get the subscribers so someone could win it. So that didn't happen. So now we're going to require the share post, which I hope will help. Like I said, we're going to let this run to November 26th, so we got about 5 months. And again, literally, if every person who's subscribed gets one person to subscribe, we're going to be nearly there. So before anybody asks, everybody who entered before, unfortunately, I'm sorry, that isn't going to count towards this. So you're going to need to do it again. I mean, I don't think it's asking too much to make a post and send an email. So, if you did enter before, I really appreciate it, but we're going to have you do it again if you want to still be entered. So that's what we're doing. If we start noticing that this is getting rolling in the next week or two, we'll get the bike pulled back out and get it finished up, make a couple videos on that, progression, let you guys know what's going on there. And that's it. I'm not sure what we're going to do here in the shop today. Got the purple bobber up on the lift. Might try to get out there and get that thing running. Got a couple last pieces came in for it. If we do that, we'll obviously get some video footage of that and probably make a separate video. I want to keep this video kind of isolated to just the giveaway re-announcement. So that's it. Again, I'm going to drop all this information on the screen coming up here in a minute so you'll know what to do. That's it. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments, and please subscribe, get out there and share this all over the place, and let's try and get this bike given away. I need some extra room in the shop. We got too much junk in here, or not junk, but bikes. I call everything junk. That's why we're doing this purple bike. We're going to try and get it sold. We need to clear out some stuff. So you guys do me that favor, and let's get this thing given away here. Hopefully coming up right before the new year. Be a great Christmas present, I'm sure, for somebody to get a cool custom bike for nothing more than some few minutes sharing some stuff on the internet.
Alright guys, here's a couple shots of the gas tank. Also thrown in here, you can see this is what you need to do to sign up. So subscribe to the channel, share on Facebook or Instagram, tag Gattis Garage in your post, and then make sure you send an email to gattisgaragegiveaway@gmail.com with your name and your Instagram name if it's different. Also, forgot to put up here, but very important, you need to be a public. You can't be a private account or we won't be able to see that you tag us. So make sure you're public or we will miss your information. Anyway, I hope this time is going to go smoother than the last, and we really look forward to giving this bike away, and hope you guys enjoy the content as always.
So that's it. Appreciate it. Thank you guys for being here and always showing us your support, giving us your time. And we hope to see you next time at Gattis Garage.